Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my brand new Toro Time Master 30-inch mower. I'm going to pull it out here in this area. So, I'm just going to move the heater back a little. It's a little cold out, warming up slowly. So, I'm going to share with you guys. So, what comes with this 30-inch Toro mower is this bagger. This bagger is actually pretty sturdy. This holds a lot more clippings and debris when you're bagging the grass when you're cutting. So this is a big bag for the 30-inch Toro Time Master. And you also get this side discharge. You put into the mower, you clip it in, and it just sits there. And the spring of the thing, the cover that covers the chute, actually clamps it down, and this ain't coming out. So this is the side discharge chute. So yeah. Now let me get to the real deal here. So you might see one reason why I wanted this mower. Because if you see yet, the position of the handle that it's in right now, okay, the position, back you guys up a little, this position here is for storage mode, or if you're trying to transport it on a truck or a trailer, you kind of can put something against it so you can have more room. And so like when I stored it here, I put this against the wall to save more room space. Nice thing is, with the push of the lever, you just adjust and it locks in place. Or, you know, if you're a little shorter, you can go down one. And then if you're a little tall, you can go up one and it locks right in place. Storage or winterize storage, and it locks in place, and you can also loosen these knobs and put them down. The other reason I got this mower was the personal pace. I hear great things about personal pace. All you do is you just push it and you move. Engage the blades, and then you can, this blue handle is to help if you're going up hills or sideways on a hill, is to help you grab it and push down. There is a safety on the blade engagement, this little blue lever. So the other thing was that this mower goes up to, so on here you got A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, and the only thing with this mower is that it can actually go up to 4.5 inches on this mower. So it can go higher up than a normal standard push mower can. So that's what I like about this mower. So when you get those customers that are really cranky about their height of their grass, you know, you can tell I can go up to 4.5 inches, but that's the highest I can go. The other thing was just the advantage of the amount it can cut at one time. It's a 30-inch deck. There's two blades. What I'll do is here, I'm gonna put it in. They call this the maintenance mode. I'm not really gonna do this for maintenance like this because, you know, I feel like it just puts a lot of stress. So if you can, there's one blade, there's two. Okay. That mower is heavy, guys. Just remember, it's heavy. Whew, okay. So this mower is great. I haven't used it yet, but I can say it's great. I mean, look at these tires. Look at those big tires. It's about almost 2 inches. And these front ones are a little smaller, but it is what it is. But here, this is actually a more powerful engine compared to the older version. This is the newer model they have. I did add an hour meter, so I use Velcro. I do have to get some more adhesive glue. I did it when it was cold. I installed it, so it's not staying real well, is what it is. You see back here, the lettering is the same, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In this gas tank, they put this blue sponge, if you can see it. I don't know how well it's going to come on camera, so. There's that blue sponge. So, they put that sponge in, I hear, to keep things from sloshing around. I don't know how true that is, so we'll eventually find out when we get mowing with this machine. This mower has never been mowed with yet. Like I said, the side discharge goes into here, and this just holds. This is what holds down on the discharge chute. So this goes in here. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand because I'm kind of holding you guys right now. This goes. This piece slides under. And then it just sits right on top, just like that. And this ain't going nowhere. So this is what holds it down, what I was saying. But yeah, you got the at the back that has the plug-in. So when you're side discharging or mulching, you put that in, and then when you're bagging, you pull that out. I'm not gonna sit there and pull it out because it is once in a while a pain, but I mean, I like this mower. I've been looking into it. I've been looking into this mower for 2 years now, and I decided to pull the trigger and get it, just because it'll save time and money. So I really like it. The only thing I was disappointed is it didn't have the key start. I wanted the key start because if this ever breaks, I would have a key start, but unfortunately I don't. So this is just a kill switch here. So I can't just start it with the key, unfortunately. But this mower also has the feature where the engine can run, but the blades are disengaged. So this mower engine will be running, but the blades won't be running unless you pull this safety feature back and you engage the blades. That's what engages it, and then you push forward to move, and you don't push the lever if you're backing up because it does lock the wheels in place. So if you guys are interested in this mower, I highly recommend getting it. I know I haven't used it yet, but I can say the least. I've seen so many reviews on this mower. People love it. I mean, people are using this mower for commercial use, and this is a residential 30-inch Toro. But the commercial one is way heavier, and it's harder to turn on the turns, I hear, and it's a big hassle. And the other thing is, on the commercial, they have the big gas tank on the side, a little bit bigger than this, almost like a snowblower gas tank here, so you can have more run time. But this is where Ridge and Stratton's kind of messed up, not putting that big tank even on residential mowers like this, because some people might be buying it because they got a big yard for their own personal needs. So it's like, then they gotta keep stopping and filling up, where if they had one big tank, they don't gotta stop, they can just keep on going. But you can get another gas tank to attach to here, so you got a bigger fuel tank, which I am actually looking into finding all the pieces I need to do it, just so I don't have to fill up, especially since I'm doing commercial properties here and there. And since I got the big yards I do, that I don't know. They say I'll be fine with this mower. With the gas, I will get through one property with the size yard I do, which is a decent size. But that's the reason why I got it, because this will cut down on time for having the extra mower. This weighs about 160 to 180 pounds, somewhere in between that range. It's not terrible, because when I picked it up, this was actually in the box already, but the box, it wasn't terrible itself. Let's put it that way. It wasn't bad. I was able to lift it out myself, get the box off the truck and stuff, and then actually get this out of the box itself. This isn't that heavy. I also found replacement belts, so when the blade engagement belt goes and the drive belt goes, I have backup. I'll put those in the description below. Also with this mower as well, I'll have this all in the description below. The belts are only $10 a piece, so that's only going to cost you $20 some dollars with tax from Amazon for the exact same belt for the drive and blade engagement. So that's what I thought was really nice, that you could literally type it on Amazon and there's two belts that will give you, one for drive and one for blade engagement, but they are not in the same kit, they're separately kits. And then they do also, I believe, I haven't really looked much into it, the maintenance kits. They do, I'm positive they have the maintenance kits on Amazon. If there's a maintenance kit, I'll put a little I'll put something on the screen here. You'll see some on the screen if there's a maintenance kit, and then that'll also be in the description below. So yeah guys, this is going to include today's video. I will have a review video to come once it gets a little nicer here. Hopefully soon. We'll be out mowing. We're counting down those days. Here's how many days are left on my screen for here where I'm at. So, if you're in the same area, that's how many days are left until, we can get back out there. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. A review video is to follow this video eventually, so enjoy this, guys. Enjoy this nice view 30-inch mower. This isn't too expensive, but if you have a small yard, this is useless because you're spending over $1,000 for this mower. This mower is not cheap by any means. Yes, it is and it isn't, okay? But anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, I'll see you guys on the next one.